Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use a VPN on your PS5, change your region and unlock more games and streaming options. The PS5 doesn't have a built-in VPN application, so I will show you the real working methods that are simple and safe to follow. So first of all, you need to understand this part clearly. You can't install a VPN application directly on PS5. Instead, you can connect your console to a network that already has a VPN, like your router or your PC. So once the network uses VPN, your PS5 automatically uses it too. So method 1 is VPN on your Wi-Fi router. So you can log in into your router settings from your web browser. Then you can add a VPN detail and save it. After that, every decide on your home internet, including your PS5, will routed through the VPN automatically. The method 2 is using a sharing VPN from your PC to PS5. So you can install a VPN on your Windows or Mac computer. Then you connect to the VPN, then share your connection with the PS5 using the Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi hotspot. Your console traffic will go through the VPN and that's active on your computer. There is another method in which you can just look for the option of the smart DNS on your PS5. When you go to the settings, look for the option of network, set up the internet connection, then go to the option of the advanced settings and look for the option of DNS. Then when you enter the DNS, your provider is going to give you this doesn't encrypt the traffic like a VPN, but it can help unlock the extra streaming libraries and region based content. Now about changing PS5 store region. Your PlayStation store region is linked to the PSN account and not the VPN alone. So to change the store country, you will need to create a new PSN account with the region that you want and then log in with that account on your PS5. You can switch the accounts anytime here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.